So this will be a quick video on how to build and publish your game on itch.io and actually any website that takes a Webgl file. It's one of the good things about this class in using Unity is that you can actually build and publish a game pretty quickly and have other people play it, give feedback, and eventually down the road try to sell it without going too far into the class. And of course from there then you work to build a more intricate game. So this is just a simple game I have, and I'm going to go up to File, Build Settings. The first thing I need to do is make sure I'm in Webgl. So if you're probably here, if it's the default, you're going to need to go down to Webgl and click this switch platform. I don't have to because I already switched the platform earlier. So make sure it's Webgl, switch platforms, and then make sure you have the current scene. So if you don't have a scene inside there, make sure you save the scene right before you do this, and then add open scene. And then you're going to build and run, or just build. When you do that, you need to pay attention where you put it. So in my case, I'm putting it under my documents. I created a new folder, which is just right-click, new folder, and called it Student Games. And then once I got it Student Games, I right-click again and formed a new folder called Demo. And it build and run and put it here. So once you do it, make sure you have these three files: build, template, and index. Make sure you have them. If you do, you're going to right-click and send to compressed if you're using a PC, or I think it's just double-click if you're using a Mac. I've already done it, and there is my compressed file right there. Okay, so then you simply go to itch.io. Make sure you're signed in. You go to your dashboard, and let's just do the whole thing. Create a new project. I'll call it Demo Publishing. You're going to make sure you choose HTML. You can come back and put some downloadable files in there for people that play your game and want to download it and play it also. But for publishing it and playing on the internet initially, you cannot do that. You need to choose HTML. I'm going to go get my demo right there, my compressed file, and upload it. And I'm going to, after I publish it, I'm going to choose restricted or public. Make sure after you publish it that you change these, or it's not going to work. And I can see we have internet problems again, because it's not doing that. Okay, so let's just say you have uploaded your demo file, the zip file here, and you can also change the size of it or put a full screen button in there if you need to, if you want the person to play it in full screen. So after you've done that and played it, you go back to your dashboard, and let me go to one I've already published, and you just run your game. You may find that your game doesn't have the camera angle that you want, maybe a little bit behind or something like that. So you can always come back and republish the game, move your camera a little bit, and try to get that better angle. But your game is now playable. So if you've just done this the first time and you're looking at it, then go back to the dashboard again and click on Edit, and make sure that your game is public. If you're in my class, you then go back to the dashboard and you simply drag this up here. And you're going to copy and paste this link, attach it to whatever assignment I gave you. And you'll have the game published. I'll be able to look at it myself and then grade your project and give you any feedback. But again, make sure you are choosing HTML and you're uploading the zipped file that has those 3 files in it. And then as you work through your game and make changes, just republish it. So just go back and publish it again, and you can go into itch.io and edit, and you can delete this file and put the new one in there, and you can also leave notes. This is version 2 or version 4 and what we've done. And again, if you want to fool around with some of the settings, making the full screen button or making this 1280, you can too. So that's in a nutshell. Be publishing your game all the time so people can look at it, give you some feedback, and we'll be doing that more as we progress in the class.